Good afternoon. Welcome to the Bullish Bears YouTube channel. Please hit like and subscribe if you like what you see, and we'll keep it coming. Anyway, just thought I'd go over and take a look at what SPY is doing today. It's kind of interesting and kind of not at the same time, but we're getting pretty close to a 2 o'clock event here called the Beige Book. If you want to look that up, it's kind of neat. Sometimes it does a lot, sometimes it does a little, and you won't really gauge any sentiment till probably right up to it. But we have a couple of clues, and we can look at today. So, daily charts looking a little more or less bearish. We're coming up against resistance at the 8 period. Pretty simple. I always watch that 8 period. It seems to hold a trend pretty smoothly, usually, unless we get a reversal. Let's look a little closer. Yeah, we got kind of a descending channel here, so we could retrace up to about 400 bucks, maybe 401 on extension. Definitely in the cards. It's possible. Looking a little further left, I don't know. We still got some unfinished business down here, so let's see how this goes. Now, right about 2 o'clock, things will start to set up, and we might get a quick scalp move that we can have on the horizon here. And I'm going to go ahead and turn my drawings on, and you're going to see the nastiest chart you've ever seen in your life. Holy moly, that's a lot of lines. But look what we have here. We have yet another diamond pattern. Now, more often than not, this pattern tends to fake a breakout in one direction and then rip a face off in the other direction. Kind of fitting that here in about 40 minutes, we're looking at a possible event that can do exactly that. And the diamond pattern is kind of not necessarily an omen in this thing. We don't get superstitious. This is just technical analysis. So the idea is that we could see a pretty volatile move come out of this real quick like. So chances are it'll be bearish. There's a slim chance it can be bullish and hit our extension all the way on up to 406 for all we care. The idea is we're going to have some quick action to trade really soon, I think, today. Looking a little closer, we've got kind of that breakout running a little bit short of momentum here as it's kind of peaked, gravitated up here. It's kind of pointing to maybe. So let's see where this goes. This is going to be a wild ride, and this will be kind of an event that's taking place on a 0 day. We've had 2 options expiration days in a row, Tuesday and Wednesday, just because what we have here is a holiday on Monday. So SPY has a 3 weekly expirations every week, regardless of holiday. So they just scrunch them together. Tomorrow is a open day. There's no options expiration. However, the 8th is known as the rollover day for all the futures. So this will be an interesting time coming through tomorrow. I think we'll get a trend day tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. But today we're going to have some volatility, and I think right about 2 o'clock, we're going to see some fun stuff. Anyway, we've been tracking this kind of moving up this morning. All the pullbacks, all the 50% retracements, they've been pretty well noted. We know where the range was going to be for consolidation. Not too hard to figure this one out. All the pivots were there. All of our trend lines were there. Not a great trading day. I stayed out of this mostly. I just haven't had a very good head day, so to speak. My brain's just not quite functioning. I didn't get good sleep. Not really feeling up to trading. But I think if we get volatile enough, I might just scalp a move. So we'll have to see how this goes, and probably at that time. Also on the board, I've been talking about it over and over again, kind of looking at that forward setup. We've got that nice little diamond top pattern, and it also resembles very similar to a triple top. Today we had a big bullish spike out of that, and again, diamonds love to do that stuff. They'll give a quick fake breakout, hit resistance points, get rejected, and just slam down. And we've got all this trend to go for. There is a chance it can become a pullback in a bullish measured move, but it's not as likely anymore. I think we're looking more bearish than bullish. We'll see how it goes. Kind of an odd situation for a couple others. And let's see here. How about Apple? Apple kind of played right into a reverse, essentially, of our contracting price action from yesterday. We opened up Then we started to expand and go back into contraction. Interesting. Diamonds are everywhere. And I don't know if you're a male or female trader, but diamonds can often pay for diamonds if you trade them right. Remember, it's not what you trade, it's how you trade it. And the way things are looking, we're going to get pretty volatile pretty quick here, just saying. So keep your eyes on a few of the major parts of the S&P, and I think we will have some decent action today, and we'll have very likely set up for a trend day tomorrow, just the way things are looking. Don't hold me to it because it could very well just go sideways through the end of the week and then wait till next week to do stuff. But from the way things are kind of shaping up, I'm expecting some volatility. All right, guys, that's going to about do it for me today. Nothing really to put on a swing trade list other than just watching what we're looking at and just kind of trading the price action as it comes. A little day trading here and there, little scalps here and there. Seems to be the norm while we wait for this market to give us a general direction that we can start trading some trends. Anyway, take care. We'll see you guys around.